Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. The heading tags are super important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know how to rank it. So you'll come here, see that I put in your URL, and then down here your header tag, it says that your header tag is home. So if you go to your website, you'll see this is where your H1 tag is. So basically it's the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about, and obviously your site is not about home, so that definitely needs to be changed right away. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. So if you come here, the metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County plumbers. There are all these blue lines down here. That's the metadata. So you can see that the top guy here, he's talking about Sonoma County electricians or Sonoma County electrician, and that's why they're at the top position for the organic search. This is the organic search, and these are the maps. So basically I can get you here and here, but anyway, we'll get to that point. But basically I wanted to let you know that you're over here with your title, you've got Home Absolute Electrical Services. So that's what you're telling Google you're about. So basically, if someone were to Google Absolute Electrical Services, then you'd be probably number one. But obviously nobody's going to know to Google that, because when they're looking for a Sonoma County electrician, they're going to Google like Sonoma County Electrical Company, Sonoma County Electrician, or even Windsor Electrician, similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. So you'd want the title tag, metadata, and header tags to all be very similar, and you want them to have your keyword, preferably your city or county, plus your keyword, like what your service is. So like Sonoma County electrician. So you want to make that crystal clear to Google so they know how to rank you on Google. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, a lot of people, they'll come and they'll start Googling their keywords, and then they'll search for their company. And as they keep doing that, as the weeks go by, you keep checking the same thing, Google's going to start moving you up because they already see what you're looking for on yours. But that wouldn't happen for other people. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. We go ahead and we use Rank Tracker. You can actually get a free subscription for a month if you want to check this out, but it's really great. It actually will pull your rank and check it every single day. So I have you pulled up here, you'll see, and then I went ahead and added your keywords, and you'll see I added your company name. You're ranking 4 for that, but really you're not ranking anywhere. 38 is probably like the top of page 5. So basically you're not ranking before page 5 here for any other keyword. So, but this will, like I said, change super fast once you change your H1 and metadata based on whatever your main keyword is. And then I really liked your website, and I thought I could do a couple of things to it to make it a little bit more appealing, but most importantly, get you to the top of Google. And really that will make, most people need to get to top of Google, because 90% of traffic is really on the first page, because most people don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. I know I sure don't. So if you have any questions, just reply to this email, and let's get you on the first page of Google and get that phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you lots of success.